This is Jurojin. It's an Ultrashift pigment with the colors bronze, purple, and mauve. Here I have Daikoku. It is an Ultrashift pigment with blue, purple, and violet. Here is Jurojin. Jurojin is a Ultrashift pigment with the colors purple, mauve, and bronze. Very beautiful transition. Unique colors. The purple violet looks very nice. The bronze. Transitioning back to purple on this side. Very nice. Here's Daikoku, an Ultrashift pigment from blue. Very nice blue, by the way. And we transition down to a purple violet color. I like these colors, both of them, the blue and the purple. This is a very nice one. Along with one we did last was Amabi with the teal purple. But this is very cool. This is Daikoku. Blue, purple, violet. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. Check out the description, check out all the links. I have the Intercoat that I use, the Urechem, very good product. I'm not affiliated, not sponsored, just a really good product, so I'll leave the link. The Clearcoat is the Cobra, sprays just like the Besney. I used to use the Besney a whole lot. The link that I have down below, again, comes from eBay. It's a very inexpensive Clearcoat, and I do recommend it, not sponsored or anything like that, just sharing out the products. And as far as the pigments from Eye Candy, I do have an affiliate discount, so if you guys use the code GT's Performance, you guys will save 15% on any color, any pearl from the website, anything you'd like, save 15%, so be sure to use that code. Other than that, leave some comments, let me know what you think about these two colors. And there's only 14 colors of these Ultrashift on the sample pack, so I'm going to be doing 2 colors at a time, you know, short, around 5 minutes each. And other than that, there's only 7 videos, but at the end of this, I do want to try to get my truck ready, sand it, spray some primer, and perhaps even spray an Ultrashift pigment on my truck, depending on if we find something that we like and that fits the style of the truck. I'll definitely paint my truck with an Ultrashift pigment. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace out.